Here we are, 2 more weeks. You can see these little cherry tomatoes are doing great. I'm getting as many as I want of those. The big ones, not too much happening. Cucumbers pretty much just stopped. They're not dying, but I'm not getting any cucumbers either. Now, it's been about 1,000,000 degrees every day, so maybe that's got something to do with it. But at least I got a bunch of small tomatoes. Anyway, I'll check back in 2 weeks and see what's changed. Talk to you later, everybody. Thanks for watching.